Hi there, everybody. This is Michael with the Central Kansas Library System, and welcome to another 5-Minute Friday. Today, I'm going to show you how you can change your settings in Firefox and in Chrome after an update so that you're not getting your pop-ups blocked, which is what you use to print transfer slips for holds. Let's take a look. When you first open Pathfinder after an upgrade, the first thing you need to do is to clear the browser's history and cache. That helps prevent any lingering problems. But when you do that, it can clear the settings that you have for some of your sites, and that includes clearing the pop-up blocking settings. We want to have pop-ups in Pathfinder because it allows us to do things like printing slips. Now, I'm in Firefox right now, and I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's blocking those. First of all, let's check in an item that's on hold for someone at another library. And we get the normal pop-up box that tells us that we've got a hold and we need to transfer it somewhere else. I'm going to print slip, transfer, and confirm. And you notice we didn't get the print box that allows us to print the slip. What we did get was up here, it's kind of easy to miss. We got a gray bar that appeared that says Firefox prevented this site from opening a pop-up window. We also got in the address bar a little tiny box that's got a cancel sign on it. We want to make sure that we allow pop-ups so we can print the slip. So if we click on Preferences, we want to allow pop-ups for staff.ckls.bywatersolutions.com. And then the box should pop up and it will allow us to choose a printer like normal. And then we can go ahead and print the slip. Once you've changed that setting, it should remain until you clear the cache again. Now let's see what blocked pop-ups look like when you're using Google Chrome. Again, I'm going to check in the item. We get the pop-up box, and I click Print Slip, Transfer, and Confirm. And again, nothing happens. This time it's even harder to see. There's this little thing that pops up here in the corner that says Pop-up Blocked, and then it goes away. But it leaves this little tiny box with a line through it. And keep an eye up here as I try to check this in again, and you'll see as it appears. Right there, pop-up blocked, it comes on the screen, and then it goes away. Again, that's easy to miss, so if you don't know what you're looking for, you probably won't see it. In order to change the setting here, I want to click on that little gray box, and then I want to change the setting to always allow pop-ups and redirects from https staff.ckls.bywatersolutions.com, and click on Done. And then I do have to refresh the page in order to have it work. So now I'm going to check it in, print slip, and then we get the pop-up box for printing. And that is how you make sure that your pop-ups are working on Pathfinder so that you can print your transfer slips. That's all I've got for you today. Hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.